It's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2021 Lexus NX 300 5-door SUV featured in Nebula gray exterior with a dark umber leather trim seats. This example is offered by Plaza Lexus in St. Louis, Missouri with a sticker price of $44,500. For additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Trey. His contact information is listed below. As we slide around to the rear of the vehicle, you can see the LED taillights. You also get a great look at the NX 300 badging right there on the tailgate. We'll talk more about the tailgate and the cargo area when we go back around the vehicle. We have 18-inch alloy wheels with 18-inch all-season radial tires. Power folding automatic dimming outside mirrors with reverse tilt. So when you put the vehicle in reverse, the side mirrors tilt. Bi-LED headlamps with daytime running lights. Aluminum roof rails. Here's those seats I was talking about. Just such a great color. So we have manually reclining and folding 60/40 rear seats. Power heated and vented front seats. We'll show that in a moment. We have Lexus Safety System 2.0 with lane tracing assist, road sign assist, pre-collision and pedestrian detection, all-speed dynamic radar, cruise control, lane departure, alert, steering assist, and intelligent high-beam headlamps, blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic. As we look at the center stack, center console, just love the stitching there as well. Really sets it off. And there's that dark umber seats, power sunroof. Both driver and passenger seat are power heated and vented seats. So here's a great look at the dashboard from the rear seat. You can see it from door to door. The center stack, steering wheel with fingertip controls. We have 8 airbags, brake assist with smart stop technology, smart access entry with push button start and stop, auto dimming interior rear view mirror with compass and home link. A home link really is convenient. Lexus Inform Service Connect 10-year ownership program. Lexus Inform Safety Connect is a 3-year period. Another great look at the seats, and again, they are heated and vented. There are the controls right there on the center stack for the seats. We'll show that a little bit more detail here in a minute. Paddle shifters, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. So we have power windows, power side mirrors, memory for the side mirrors as well as the seat. There you can see the paddle shifters. Had to close the sunroof to knock the glare off a bit. There's the power paddle shifters rather. Leather wrapped steering wheel. There's the famous analog Lexus clock, push button start and stop. We have a backup camera with dynamic grid lines, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, electronic parking brake, drive mode, so you have economy, sport, and normal. Dual zone automatic climate control with interior air filter. Intuitive park assist with auto braking. Lexus Multimedia System with 8-inch color display. Love that little cubby there. You can pull that open and keep some of your change in there or some smaller items. Center console. Additional power ports in there. Glove box with your owner's manual. The Nulux leather trimmed power adjustable front seats. Nulux is a type. There's leather and then Nulux, and really you can't even tell the difference. Really soft and feels great, comfortable. As far as the cargo area is concerned, it's a 17.7 cubic feet. With the seats up, fold the seats down, you have 54.6 cubic feet. The power rear hatch has a kick sensor, tonneau cover, first aid kit, carpeted floor mats, and there you can see the all-weather floor mats. We have wheel locks with key and a glove protection, so if you do have to change a flat tire, we have gloves in there. Keep your hands clean. And the power hatch, push the button and the hatch goes down. The kick sensor is real nice. That way, if your hands are full, you put your foot there and the rear hatch will go up. As far as the engine is concerned, it's a 2.0 liter turbo engine producing 235 horse, all-wheel drive, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering 22 city and 27 highway. For additional information, check out plazalexus.com. Like, subscribe, and comment on this video. We appreciate you watching, and enjoy the rest of the video and watch some more.